Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new Transcendent seed from the summer camp event update in Garden, which is called the Firefly Spiral Seed. Okay, let's get into it guys. So this is a limited Transcendent seed from this update. You can go to seed shop to get it. Okay, you can scroll down guys and you will find this Firefly Spiral Seed, and this is the ability of this plant. Every 5 minutes mutates a nearby fruit with one of 5 wire based mutation. Yeah, it's really cool, but it's pretty rare. So if you want to get this seed, I would like to recommend you to join the admin abuse of Grow Garden. It usually happens on Sunday or on Saturday. For this week admin abuse, it will happen on Saturday. So yeah, we need to wait for it and make sure that we join the game during the admin abuse, and we will have chance to get this Firefly Spiral Seed. Thank you guys, and that's all about the new Firefly Spiral Transcendent Seed in Grey Garden Summer Camp event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!